Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Kapwing in your browser and sign in to save your edits. Click Upload and choose a video file or paste a video link directly. Kapwing accepts MP4, MOV, and most social media links for processing. Wait for the upload bar to finish and then confirm the file on the timeline. Set your project ratio to 16:9 or change to vertical for mobile content. Name your project so you can find it later in your workspace. Click the Subtitles button to open captioning options in Kapwing. Choose Auto-Generate to transcribe spoken audio into timed captions automatically. Select the language of the audio before starting transcription for better accuracy. Wait for Kapwing to process, and then review the generated captions on the timeline. Edit any lines directly by clicking text and typing corrected words or punctuation. Adjust caption font size, color. After reviewing captions, play the video to confirm sync and readability. Click Export Project to start rendering your video with embedded captions. Choose Export as MP4 for a single video file with burned-in subtitles. If you need separate files, select Download SRT to get a plain subtitle file. Watch the exported preview to verify timing and formatting before final download. Check file size and resolution, then save the MP4 or SRT to your device or cloud storage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.